welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 4 of February. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting off with our electricity is getting as usual $50. Happy Friday, guys. You guys have any plan this weekend? Next is car insurance, and car insurance is getting $45. I'm about to take the kids to their cousin house because today is their cousin's birthday. Okay, onto my cash envelopes. Alright, so onto groceries, and I believe we have $1 left in groceries. Alright, so this dollar is going into my kids' piggy bank, and groceries is getting $150 this week. So the reason why groceries is getting a lot more this week is because I gotta buy a bag of rice. So we eat rice on a daily at my house. We eat it every day. So that's why I need to buy another 50-pound bag of rice. Gas is getting $20. Okay, next is spending, and spending is also getting $20. Beauty is getting $10. And last is giving, and giving is getting its usual $5. Alright guys, on to our sinking funds. Alright, so starting off with Lanesia is getting $25. Oops, that sucks. That whole thing just came right off. Alright, so we're just gonna use our finger for now. So Lanesia is getting $25. This might put her at $7,000. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm gonna count it and see. If not, she'd probably be like $5 short, I believe. So I don't know. We'll see. 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 50, 70, 90, 910, 930, 950, 5, 65, 70. Okay. So Lanesia is at $6,970. So definitely, no, not the next stuffing. The next stuffing will put her at 95. So the one after that, she'll be at 7,000. I'm going to be uploading my my sinking funds update video, my bill exchange, Sunday, and my fiance is also going to be uploading his first video on Sunday as well. So keep a lookout on that. Jaden is also getting $25. So in my bill exchange video, I'm going to be counting how much cash money I have in all 3 binders. So Jaden has 5,000, 6,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 50, 70, 90, 710, 30, 55, 65, 75. Jaden has $6,775. Next is family time, and family time is getting $10. I want to take the kids out to Six Flags this weekend because it's like in the mid 60s to 70s, but it looked like it might rain on Sunday. But if it's not raining, I'll probably take them to Six Flags. Okay, so family time is getting $10, and I already put it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. We have $665 in family time. Okay, next is drip, and drip is getting $10. We have 1, 2, 3, 400, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 425 in drip. Okay guys, onto my emergency fund binder. Okay, so starting off with our cash emergency fund. So cash emergency fund isn't getting stuff. I believe we have $2,000. We reached our $2,000 goal for our cash emergency fund. So let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 950, 60, 70, 80, 95, 2,000. Alright, so we did hit our $2,000 goal for our cash emergency fund. So that is just our my goal for it right now. I mean, if I decide to bump it up to 3,000, I will start funding it in the future. But as of right now, I do got like house emergency fund, which is my down payment for my new house, which I'm really focused on. So I do want to contribute to that more. Alright, so home emergency fund is getting $160, and that amount was from our diamond and our gold, I believe. Yeah, our diamond and gold scratch off. So 100, I think I did it in 20s. No, 150, 60. Alright, so we have, let me put the $2,000 real quick. 5,000, 6, 7, 8,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 50, 650, 700, 50, 70, 90, 800, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have $8,825 in our home emergency fund. Okay, next is our car emergency fund, and that is getting $5. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have $1,720 in our car emergency fund. I think my goal for this also is $2,000. Okay, health is getting $20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $810. So we have $810 in health. Okay, on to our scratch off. Let's start off with our gold challenge first. Let me get a quarter. So let's scratch off, let's do this corner. So this is $40. Okay, so 40 from our gold. And let's do this one. 160 from our diamond. So that is a total of $200 that we will be stuffing in my home emergency fund next week. Okay, so onto my pink binder. Christmas is getting 20 bucks. Okay, so we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. So we have 195 in Christmas. Okay, next is back to school, and back to school is getting 10 bucks. We have 20, 40, 60, 70, 85. So 85 and back to school. Okay, next is invest, and invest is getting $10. And I'm excited because I maxed out my Roth IRA for 2021. Now I will be working on 2022. So we have $50 in invest, and we have over a year to contribute to our 2022 Roth IRA. Okay, last is, oh wait, no, not last, but gifts is getting $20. So we have 150, 70, 90, 210, 30, 50, 65. So 265 in gifts. And last is my 52-week savings challenge, and that is getting 80 bucks. So I'm just gonna scratch off a random box. It has 80 on it. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.